Health Check is presented by Island Cancer Center.
The Lupus Awareness Group of Guam is an organization dedicated to provide support, increase awareness, and advocate for individuals and their families affected by lupus on island. Established on April 14, 2012, the group's focus is to also develop plans and implement strategies to meet those needs. With that being said, there is a pair of events that will be held at the end of the week. Group member Joseph Aquino.
The first event would be on Friday. We have the first annual Pacific seminar for medical professions. And on that seminar, we have the presenters of that seminar would be two rheumatologists.
Dr. Moriko Ishimori from Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles and Dr. Evan Vista from St. Luke's Medical Center in the Philippines will be presenting an array of topics relative to lupus.
We encourage for doctors and nurses to come and be a part of the seminar. Anyways, it's all the cost is shouldered by the Lupus Awareness Group of Guam, and so that they have a better understanding about what to look at, and for lupus. So that way, it will help them help our patients, in treating or diagnosing. We look at our medical professionals for our help, to take care of us, right? To give us what we need in order to sustain our life, if we have a medical problem.
The second event takes place on Saturday, July 30th at the Government House in Agana Heights. From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., patients, members, and supporters are encouraged to come out to attend this information-filled forum.
On Saturday, and it starts at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and these Dr. Ishimori and Dr. Vista will be giving some talks pertaining to lupus, and the patients would be, we highly encourage the patients and their families to be there, especially those that are taking care of the patients. In the event that they have a question, they can get the answers from the doctors of what they need to do, what advice to give them.
Both events will cover topics such as advances in lupus research and treatment, lupus nephritis, pediatric lupus, discoid lupus, understanding the disease, movement for better life, and eating and digesting well with lupus.
A lupus patient has a lot of challenges in their life from here because lupus is not a curable. There's no cure so far, and that's why the research is still continuing. But I highly encourage them to come out so that way they can express to the doctors, and the doctors may give them an advice as to what they may need to do.
Aquino became a member of the Lupus Awareness Group after his daughter was diagnosed with lupus back in 2006.
My wife and I thought about it and said, hey, we have to be part of this because it's not only our daughter that we're going to advocate for. However we advocate for our daughter, we're advocating for other patients, especially kids who are going through, because we went through a lot with the education system and also medically.
Let's Talk Lupus first annual Pacific seminar will be held on Friday, July 29th from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. at the Hilton Guam Resort and Spa Gallery Room. The Lupus Living and Learning Forum will be held on Saturday, July 30th at the Government House from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Admission is free for both events and seating is limited. For more information and registration for the event, you can email lupusguam@gmail.com or call Aquino at 929-4705. You can also check out their webpage at lupusguam.org or like the Lupus Awareness Group of Guam on Facebook. With this week's Health Check Report, I'm Jonah Gancharfas.
Health Check is presented by Island Cancer Center.